Mythical creatures. J.K. Rowling, the creator of Harry Potter, uses a lot of weird and wonderful creatures from mythology. How different are they to the mythical creatures? In the Harry Potter books, centaurs live in forests. They are very intelligent. They study the stars and the planets and sometimes see the future. Most centaurs stay far away from people, but one of them, Firenze, saves Harry's life. He even becomes a teacher at Harry's school. The phoenix is a beautiful bird. Harry's headmaster has a pet phoenix called Fawkes. Tears from its eyes save Harry's life after a poisonous monster bites him. Harry is shocked when Fawkes suddenly bursts into flames one day. Of course, Fawkes is born again from the ashes. Chimeras live near volcanoes. They are very dangerous and very difficult to kill. Centaurs were half human and half horse. They were from the mountains and forests of central Greece. They were wild, dangerous beasts, except for one, Hieron, who was an astronomer and a famous teacher of medicine. The phoenix was a beautiful red or purple bird with a long golden tail. It was from India and Egypt. It could burst into flames and could be born again from the ashes. Its tears could heal someone's wounds. The chimera was a weird Greek mythical creature. It was really odd-looking. It had 3 heads from 3 different animals. At the front it had a lion's head, in the middle it had a goat's head, and its tail was a snake. It was a terrifying creature. It could bite like a lion, and it could breathe fire like a dragon from its goat's head.